What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we've seen some really good movement with AMC. Just recently, we've seen some really good movement. You can see what I have up on the screen here. A lot of great movement, but we're going to get into that in just a second. Now, before I get into this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm sorry that I'm posting videos so late. I couldn't get around to it in the afternoon. I had a lot of month-end close stuff to do, and it was just very tough. So sorry again, but make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out some of the links in the description. I do live streams every morning, so if you want to join as a member so that you can participate in the chats in those live streams, definitely join up. It's only 99 cents. But I wanted to talk about AMC, right? Because as we've seen throughout the day, it wasn't really the best situation. Yes, we did have some growth. Basically from that morning time, it really didn't do anything from, after it hit like that 990 mark, really started to stay kind of flat and then actually decrease because it opened up at 990, which was, pretty high, and then closed at 974. So if we were looking at it, opened up at 990, had a high of 1015, had a low of 956, and then closed at that 974 mark. Did close at 2.4%. But then in the after hours market, it wasn't really that bad. We've seen a lot of volume in the after hours market. But first, let's break down what happened in the morning. So we've seen this gap up, and I was sure that we were going to see a positive day. With all of the movement that we've seen here, it looked like it was going to be a positive day. Staying above the 200 EMA, we're seeing that move in an upward trajectory. It started to flatten out a little bit, started to get closer to the 200 EMA, but did break out before it opened. But when it opened, it did increase right away, but then came back to the 15 moving average and fell right past the 15 moving average, which everybody was like, this is going to be a horrible day, which everything else seemed like it was going to be a horrible day. And it did. A lot of things fell down for me, and I don't want to get into that, but a lot of things fell down for me. But it looks like AMC did rally a little bit, after falling down to that 956 mark. It did rally a little bit, getting up to, a level of 992, and then flattened out, fell down a little bit more, but then, rallied towards the end of the day. As it got into the after hours market, you see this increase here where it went up to, $10.90 and then fell off. This is what I was saying about the manipulation in the after hours market. So this is where the hedge funds, the firms, the billionaires, all the people with money control everything. This is where they do like a lot of their activity. If they're looking to short, a position like crazy, if they're looking to actually, cover some of their short positions and, drive this price up, buy this position up, they're doing a lot in this time of the day. And it sucks to be able to say this and see this because it's not the best thing we want to see, because most of us can't do anything. If we have 1,000+ shares, we can't sell at that point if we wanted to. If it gets up to, $200 or $300 or $1,000, we can't sell at that point in the after hours market. It's not going to fill our orders at 1,000 orders. It's not going to fill our orders at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 shares. It's just not. So we're seeing that run up and then a complete fall off at that point. Like everybody is selling at that point. No. There's a lot of manipulation, a lot of activity that's going towards that, and you see that breakout to where it's just about to pass the 200 EMA, but that there's a lot of buy volume here. Look at all this buy volume that was coming in as it was closing. You're going to see a gap up when you do get to the morning, when you get to 4 a.m., and it's going to be pretty big. But that's really what I'm expecting right in the morning. I'm expecting that gap up, especially since we had all of this volume all the way up to basically $11, which is unexpected, really. So I was really hype about that, really happy about that. I could tell you that the volume here looks pretty decent, at 41 million. That's not that bad compared to the average, which the average was starting to fall down because of a lot of the days that were, lesser, especially since we've had those 250, 300, 400 million volume day. But I can tell you that this is still being shorted, still being manipulated. This should not be falling down as much as it is. The good thing, the saving grace, is that everything else was down quite a bit. We had a ton of positions that were actually down a lot. So seeing AMC up was kind of refreshing a little bit. It was kind of very refreshing. So I was really hype about that, really happy about that. But all I know is that it just confirms that we're seeing a lot of manipulation, a ton of manipulation. Now, let me know exactly what you guys think about what's going on with AMC. I mean, it's kind of more of the same because we see what's happening. We're not blind to it. We see all the manipulation. We see all of the buying power. We see all of the people that are holding. So it makes no sense why this is continuing to decrease or stay flat. It makes no sense whatsoever. So again, let me know your opinion here, but make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I just wanted to go through a quick update with you guys. I'll make sure to do more updates on my MP Shorts channel as well. I haven't done something on there in a little bit, but yeah, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Also, if you want to join as a member on, on this channel, definitely hit that join button right down below. It's only 99 cents, or you can pick the $1.99 mark. Also, if you want to join the Discord group, there's a lot of great people over there. You can definitely do that. Don't forget to pick up some of your Profit Hands merch. That does, help out the channel, and it's, great stuff, high quality stuff. But yeah, I mean, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.